Critter 592, contact Miami Center on 13245, so long. Critter 592, contact Miami Center 13245. 592 is located return to Miami. Critter 592, roger, turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 7,000. What kind of problem are you having? Smoke in the cabin, smoke in the cabin. Roger. Critter 592, when able, turn left heading 250, descend and maintain 5,000. 7,000. Waco 49. Waco 49. Waco. Yeah, Critter 592 is coming back to Miami. He's got an emergency. Eagle 703 wants 12,000 as a final. I think it's Jeff. Critter 592, they're going to be standing by for you. You can plan where you want to when able, direct to Dolphin now. Critter 592, turn left heading 140. Critter 592, keep the turnaround heading 120. 1462, roger. Critter 592, contact Miami approach on corrections. Now you just keep my frequency. American 960, turn left heading 270, join the Waco transition. Heading 270, join the Waco transition, American 960. Eagle 703, contact Miami Center now on 13245. Critter 592, you can turn left heading 100, join the runway 12 localizer at Miami. Critter 592, descend and maintain 3,000. Critter 592, Opelok Airport is about 12 o'clock and 15 miles. All units, Everglades Holiday Park, be advised, it's a confirmed DC line down. Copy? West 2, for arrival. We're probably a mile or 2, 3 into Dade County, and it doesn't look like there's a big enough piece to be a survivor there. TRS 285. Go ahead. Advise if this is a cargo or a passenger at this time. I can't tell you that yet. I don't think there's going to be a big enough piece for me to make that determination on. It's just a whole bunch of small debris.
So my dumbass, on not my maiden flight, but it may as well have been because I went to actually do some filming. And, you know, it's dusk, and I was just like, I really wanted to do it because, you know, it's my second time. I was having a blast, so I started doing some footage over the river, like down the river. And
so now we're going to rescue the drone with the pool net.
So we had to drive the Polaris all the way up to the main road, several miles, and around the other side of the river where I crashed it into the tree. Thank God there's no wind out here tonight. And it's just sitting there blipping and blip, 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 blip. That looks, Norm, that looks like it's in a tricky spot. Oof. Please don't drop my baby.
Let you swing for the baby.
Yeah, I'll swing for it. Just check.
Dude, you are so...
I can get down there.
You're going to have to.
Yeah.
Because you're 4 foot short.
You know what?
It's straight down, Gary.
Yeah, I got it. Here, you want to hold the camera?
Sure. You're gonna be. I'd slide. That's a straight bank down there.
I got it. You got any more? You got any loose lights like a?
I think I got my iPhone. We're gonna film it with an iPhone. We're gonna.
There we go. I can see a little bit over here.
Well, watch it. I'm telling you, it's a straight bank on that side. Gary, hold on. Don't we have to be able to film before you go down there because that'll be half the freaking adventure. Here goes Gary swimming.
About to take my big dive. You know, stuff this in my pocket.
All these gadgets, and the drone's still stuck in the tree.
It's still stuck in the tree. Let's take it one step at a time here.
Yeah, because look at that. I mean, that's a drop, dude.
Yep, nice.
I don't know how deep that water is there.
I might have to get wet.
I think you're just going to have to
get wet.
take the walk out there and then reach straight up and grab it.
I think you're right.
I think it's the safest thing to do, too.
Yeah, because I can be under it.
Right. It'll be cold as hell, bro.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Got nice dry shoes and socks back there.
Yeah, thank God we got a dryer. Should be a pretty hard bottom.
Yep.
Got no, oh, there he is. Gary, the drone rescuer. It starts to come down. It doesn't go in that net. You just drop that pole. Do what you gotta do.
Yeah, I know.
I think you're on the right angle, bud. There you go. Hold on. And oh, go up a little. She's in the net.
Holy shit.
Alrighty.
Come to Papa. Here, get over dry land first.
Yep. Bring it to me.
You got it?
Yep, bring it to me. I'll get it out of the net.
Oh, fucking score! That is
Score, Gary.
awesome!
A little wet, but you know.
It was worth it.